Hello friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I have a little trick for you which might enhance your Power BI reports a lot. So let me show it to you. So let's first show the problem and then dive into the solution. So let's say I want to create some kind of visualization. And for that sake, let's say I'm using here a bar chart. So I'm selecting my bars here and then I go with one of the dimensions, and let's say in my orders table, so where is it? Orders table, there it is. I choose in this case my customer company. So I'll search for the customer company. And now I need some kind of numeric field in order to display the bars. So let's say I go in my measures table here, and then I choose, in this case, let's say one of the measures, let's say the profit margin. Select this one here. Now let me just select it and drag it here and then go down. And then we see here all the various customers we have, so the companies, names of those, and we can see the bars. And of course we can customize this further. We can go in here and say, for instance, we want to see the data labels, for instance, right? As here, the margins as percentage figures. And of course we can also say where do we want to display them, right? Position, let's say inside end, so they all have the same position here. Now, the main issue which arises when we create something like that comes when we have long names. What I mean by that is, for instance, here, you can see this company, Anna Trujillo and so on, is not displayed completely here. You can see 3 dots here. So basically the name is cut here. And the same is true here, for instance, for this one, this wine cellars, it's also not displayed correctly, and also this one and so on. So because I have some longer names, not all of them can be displayed by default. Now what to do? Of course, if our report consumer hovers over the name, he or she will see, of course, the full name. But still, I don't like this, because I want to have a clean report where everything is shown. So what to do? Pretty simple. Let's go up here and go to the y-axis. And under y-axis, maybe you have used it in the past already, but maybe not. You can see there's a max area width. And if I just, as an example, drag this to 100%, let's see what happens to Anna here. Or in this case, the laughing Bacchus. So if I set this to 100%, now you see that I got more space in here and I can see all the names. So Anna is now displayed completely, as well as the laughing Bacchus as well. And if I scroll down, I would see that this works now for all my customer names here. So that's just a little trick, but still, in my point of view, it enhances your report a lot. Because these 3 dots, so you can't display everything completely. This is something which I have, well, not covered in the past. And a few of my report consumers actually complained about that, because I totally agree with them. It's not really nice if you can't see it directly, the name, especially if you have some names which might be kind of similar, right? So that's way better, and it's a quite easy setup. Just go to the settings here under the y-axis and then choose max area width and specify the way that you really see everything you need. Okay, so that's the trick I have. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Maybe you've already used it, then that's great. If not, now you know how to do it, and hopefully that enhances your reports. So please give this video a like, and also please consider subscribing on this channel where I share all ideas, tips, and tricks around Power BI. So if you want to see this, then please do that. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.